Deep within the heart of Borneo, an ancient world thrives, hidden beneath a canopy so thick that sunlight struggles to pierce through. This untouched paradise guards secrets that defy imagination. Recently, a team of fearless explorers embarked on a daring journey into the depths of this mysterious jungle. What they observed would stun the scientific community and ignite the curiosity of the world. How do these discoveries reshape our understanding of Borneo's ecological and cultural history? Join us as we unravel 20 strangest things recently discovered in the jungles of Borneo. Number 20. Zebra-striped fish. The zebra-striped fish is one of 17 newly found fish species discovered in the heart of Borneo. Though small, measuring about 3 to 6 centimeters, these fish are quite unique. Despite being found only recently, they are known to live in slow-moving, shallow streams and swamps in the shaded parts of the rainforest. Their black and white lines help them blend into their surroundings, providing camouflage from predators. The zebra-striped fish are also known to be quite social, often seen swimming in small schools. They feed on tiny insects and plant matter, playing a crucial role in maintaining the ecosystem's balance. Their discovery has excited scientists because it highlights the rich biodiversity of Borneo's rainforests, which remain one of the least explored areas on Earth. These rainforests are home to countless undiscovered species, each contributing to the intricate web of life in this rich, vibrant habitat. Number 19. Orangutan. Orangutans are only found in Borneo and are critically endangered giant apes with a unique place in the animal kingdom. There are only about 1,005 Northwest Bornean orangutans left, making them the most endangered population. The Central Bornean orangutans, however, form the largest group with roughly 35,000 individuals. Remnant evidence indicates that these apes once roamed much of Southeast Asia. Before 1996, when the Sumatran orangutan was recognized as a distinct species, Bornean and Sumatran orangutans were considered subspecies. These remarkable creatures inhabit lowland rainforests, wetlands, and mountainous regions up to 5,000 feet high. They are almost entirely tree-shaped, spending their days swinging from branch to branch with ease. Their powerful arms, which can reach lengths of up to 7 feet, allow them to traverse the treetops with remarkable agility. Despite their impressive climbing abilities, Bornean orangutans have relatively shorter legs and are less talented at walking on the ground. Their reddish-brown hairy coats provide camouflage among the leaves of the forest, and their large, expressive faces are well adapted to their tree-shaped lifestyle. Orangutans have an intricate system of vocalizations with around 13 distinct sounds used for communication. These include soft grunts for signaling and loud calls to attract mates or warn of danger. They also use tools such as sticks to extract insects or fruits from hard-to-reach places, demonstrating a level of problem-solving and innovation. In their small social groups, orangutans communicate through a variety of gestures and sounds. They often smack their lips and grind their teeth, particularly when frustrated. This behavior may contribute to their frequently chipped teeth. In the wild, they play a crucial role in their ecosystem by dispersing seeds through their droppings, helping to maintain the health of the rainforest. Number 18. New freshwater prawn species. In the late 2000s, scientists made an exciting discovery in the tropical rainforests of East Campton, Borneo. They found a brand new species of freshwater prawn in a river that flows into a larger waterway known for its amazing variety of life. This river is home to nearly 150 unique fish species, 300 bird species, and the critically endangered dolphin. The newly discovered prawn is tiny, measuring just over 1 centimeter in length, which is probably why it had remained hidden from scientists for so long. What makes this prawn even more interesting is that it has an unusually high number of teeth compared to other similar prawns. This discovery, along with several other newly found freshwater prawn species, underscores the urgent need to protect Borneo's rivers. These vital waterways are currently at risk due to habitat destruction, pollution, and unsustainable fishing practices. Number 17. The Copstein's Bronzeback. The Copstein's Bronzeback, known scientifically as Dendrolaphus copsteini, is a striking snake that can reach up to 1.5 meters in length. First identified in 2007, this rare species is found in a range of forest environments, from lowland to upland rainforests. What sets it apart from other Dendrolaphus snakes is its clear color. Its neck displays a bright orange color, almost like flickering flames, which gradually merges into a dazzling pattern of blue, green, and brown that covers its entire body. The top of its head is a deep bronze color, typical of bronzeback snakes, and it features a dark stripe that runs from its face, over its eye, and down to the beginning of its neck. When the snake feels threatened, it can expand the skin around its neck to reveal the bright orange colors, creating a dramatic display. Like many of its relatives, the Kopstein's bronzeback has a spirited nature and a painful bite. In its natural habitat, it often lives in trees, where it hunts for frogs and lizards. Number 16. A new species of slug. In the high altitudes of Borneo, particularly in the Sabah region, several rare and native slug species have been discovered. One recently identified slug, which has a name that's quite challenging to pronounce, lives in vibrant, rich forests on a mountain reaching 1,900 meters in height. This slug measures about 4 centimeters long and has an extraordinary tail that is 3 times the length of its head. When it rests, its tail coils around its body, creating a unique and somewhat charming appearance, though it does have a slimy texture. What's particularly fascinating is the slug's courtship behavior. It uses love darts, which are made of calcium carbonate and resemble tiny spears. These darts are shot into potential mates to deliver a hormone that can enhance the chances of successful reproduction. This process is part of a larger reproductive strategy called mucus courting, where slugs leave a trail of secretion that can also affect mating success. Additionally, these slugs have adapted to their high-altitude environment with remarkable features. Their bright coloration and the ability to cling to steep, rocky surfaces help them evade predators and navigate their challenging habitat. The discovery of these unique slugs not only enriches our understanding of biodiversity, but also highlights the incredible adaptability of life in extreme environments. Number 15. Sambar deer. The largest deer species in the world is the nocturnal sambar. Male sambars can grow over 7 feet long and weigh more than 440 pounds, with some even reaching over 1,000 pounds. Despite their enormous size, these deer are usually very shy. They might seem cute and lovable, but when startled, they let out loud barks known as poking or belling to warn off potential predators. When feeling threatened, they often drag their feet dramatically and raise their demons, which must be a very intimidating sight given their size. So it's best not to upset these timid giants. The sambar's size and appearance can vary greatly, which has led to a lot of confusion among scientists in the past, resulting in over 40 different scientific names for this species. Sambars can be found in diverse habitats, including Thailand, Taiwan, Indochina, and the rich Borneo jungle in Indonesia. Since 2008, the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, has listed the sambar as a vulnerable species. Their populations have significantly decreased due to intense local conflicts and industrial habitat exploitation. Number 14. The spectacled flowerpecker. In 2010, scientists exploring the rich Danam Valley Conservation Area in Sabah, Borneo, made an exciting discovery: a new bird species they named the spectacled flowerpecker. This tiny bird stands out with its soft gray feathers, distinctive white arcs around its eyes, and a wide white stripe running from its throat to its belly. The spectacled flowerpecker is only about the size of a thumb, making it even more remarkable. Despite the valley being studied extensively since 1986, this bird had remained hidden. Experts believe the spectacled flowerpecker lives high up in the treetops, where it finds plenty of fruit, particularly figs, making it difficult to spot until now. These treetops can reach heights of over 150 feet, creating a dense canopy that's challenging for researchers to explore. The discovery was not just a chance encounter, but the result of dedicated efforts by birdwatchers using advanced techniques such as mist netting and environmental sound monitoring. These methods allowed scientists to capture the bird's unique calls, which were different from any known species in the area. This find highlights the incredible biodiversity of Borneo, one of the most biologically rich places on Earth. It also emphasizes the importance of conservation efforts in protecting these habitats, ensuring that even the smallest and most elusive creatures have a chance to thrive. Number 13. Mulu flying frog. This extraordinary frog species was discovered at an altitude of 1,650 meters in the breathtaking Gunung Mulu National Park, located in Sarawak, deep within the heart of Borneo. This park is renowned for its incredible biodiversity and stunning limestone formations, including some of the largest cave systems in the world. The species is highly indigenous, known only to exist in the Tapan Valley near a natural, crystal-clear stream, making it incredibly rare and vulnerable to habitat changes. Commonly called the Mulu flying frog, this diminutive amphibian sees males reaching a mere 3.5 centimeters in length. What sets this species apart is its remarkable color-changing ability. At night, the frog's skin glows a vivid green, providing camouflage against the rich nighttime vegetation. But during the day, it transforms into a brown color to blend in with the leaf litter and tree bark. The frog's eyes also undergo a color change, adding to its fascinating appearance. Flying frogs, as their name suggests, possess the unique ability to glide through the air. This is achieved through their large, fully cobwebbed feet and the aerodynamic flaps of skin on their arms and legs, allowing them to leap and glide from tree to tree to escape predators or to search for food. This adaptation is crucial for their survival in the thick and vertically structured rainforest environment. Borneo is home to at least 3 other species of these remarkable flying frogs, each with its own unique adaptations and habitats. The island itself is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth, hosting a wide array of grassland and animals, many of which are not found anywhere else. Number 12. New species of Lordamerma. Since the establishment of the Heart of Borneo Conservation Plan in 2007, an amazing variety of new invertebrate species has been discovered, enriching the region's biodiversity. Among these discoveries are net-winged beetles, a deep-sea water bug, a bee, some ants, and flies. Impressively, 29 new species have been identified. One particularly thrilling find is the reddish-brown ant, Lordamerma reticulata. It was discovered in leaf litter within the lowland rainforests of Sarawak, Malaysia. This species is notable for its unique eating behavior and complex social structure, which includes intricate communication through aroma and cooperative brood care. The discovery of Lordamerma reticulata is significant as it extends the known range of this group to include Southeast Asia. Previously, this group was primarily known from Australasia and parts of the Pacific. This expansion of the group's distribution helps illustrate the interconnectedness of ecosystems throughout the region. Moreover, this tiny ant's discovery adds a wealth of new information about how these ecosystems function. For instance, it offers insights into the role ants play in soil aeration, nutrient cycling, and seed dispersal. Ants are often considered ecosystem engineers because their activities can dramatically alter the physical environment, benefiting many other species. Number 11. Rhinoceros hornbill. These magnificent birds live on trees with trunks that can grow up to 70 meters in diameter. The rhinoceros hornbill can live up to 35 years in captivity. In Borneo, you can find them in lowland and mountain tropical and subtropical environments, as well as mountain rainforests up to 1,400 meters in elevation. This impressive bird is so well regarded that it is the national bird of Malaysia and the state bird of Sabah. Measuring 80 to 90 centimeters in length, the rhinoceros hornbill is quite large for a tree-living bird. Its tail is white with a black band, while its legs and vent are mostly black. The enormous bill and helmet are colored orange and reddish due to the application of oil from the smooth gland above its tail. Number 10. The Penan tribe. The Penan tribe, native to the thick rainforests of Borneo, primarily inhabits the Malaysian state of Sarawak. As one of the last remaining nomadic hunter-gatherer groups in Southeast Asia, the Penan have maintained a deep connection with the forest for centuries. Their survival depends on an intimate knowledge of their environment, which they use to gather food, find shelter, and meet their spiritual needs. The tribe's diet consists of wild sago, fruits, and game hunted with blowpipes tipped with poison from the tajam tree. Living in simple mobile homes made from palm leaves and bamboo, the Penan are experts in sustainable living. They practice molong, a traditional philosophy that means never taking more than necessary and ensuring that the forest can regenerate. Their tools and crafts, such as woven baskets and mats, reflect their resourcefulness and respect for nature. Despite increasing pressures from modernization and government policies, which often encourage settlement and agriculture, many Penan continue to uphold their traditional ways. This resistance is not just a matter of lifestyle, but a fight for cultural survival. However, the Penan faces significant threats from logging and palm oil plantations. These industries have led to deforestation, loss of biodiversity, and disruption of the Penan's ancestral lands. The destruction of the forest not only threatens their physical survival, but also destroys their cultural heritage. In recent years, the Penan has become vocal advocates for rainforest conservation, working with environmental organizations to protect their homeland and raise awareness about the impacts of deforestation. Number 9. Bornean clouded leopard. Clouded leopards are among the most elusive and least understood big cats on Earth. These fascinating creatures dwell in the thick forests of Southeast Asia, where their incredible climbing skills allow them to navigate the trees with ease. What truly sets clouded leopards apart are their strikingly long canine teeth. Contrary to popular belief, they are not closely related to the saber-toothed cats of ancient times, but are related to all modern cats in a similar way. In 2007, a remarkable discovery was made when the Bornean clouded leopard was identified as a distinct species. These magnificent cats, which are found only on the islands of Borneo and Sumatra, were confirmed through genetic testing to be different from their mainland relatives. In fact, they are as distantly related to other clouded leopards as lions are to panthers. The Bornean clouded leopard preys on a variety of animals on the island, including monkeys, deer, wild pigs, and lizards. Their role in the ecosystem of the Bornean rainforest is crucial, as they help maintain the balance of their habitat. Number 8. Chan's megastick Phobiaticus chani. The enormous stick insect is believed to inhabit the upper layers of the rainforest canopy, making it extremely inaccessible and difficult to study. Similar to many other creatures in its habitat, there is scarce information on its biology and ecology. This insect not only holds the title for the world's longest insect, but also boasts the longest body, reaching an incredible 14 inches in length. When it stands, it can tower up to 2 feet in height. This rare insect has only been discovered in 3 specimens, all originating from the thick jungles of Borneo. Borneo has long been a hotspot for uncovering giant insects, with the discovery of massive cockroaches in 2004 being just one example. This stick insect is renowned not only for its impressive size, but also for its unique eggs, which have wing-like extensions that allow them to be carried by the wind as the female drops them from the trees. There are over 3,000 species of stick insects, most of which are found in tropical and subtropical regions. During the day, stick insects typically remain motionless, relying on their excellent camouflage to blend in with their surroundings and avoid predators. Number 7. New species of orchid. Borneo is a treasure trove of orchids, boasting approximately 3,000 unique species. Recently, conservation efforts in the heart of this vibrant island have uncovered 37 new types of orchids. This region is renowned as a hotspot for discovering new plants. One of these remarkable new orchids originates from Mount Kinabalu, a high peak in Malaysia that stands at over 13,400 feet and is famous for its rich variety of plant and animal life. Borneo's unique geographical position and climate contribute to its exceptional biodiversity. The island's thick rainforests and consistent rainfall create ideal conditions for a wide variety of flora, including these stunning orchids. The rainforests themselves are among the oldest in the world, dating back around 140 million years. Protecting Borneo's orchids is vital for preserving the island's incredible biodiversity. These plants play a crucial role in the ecosystem, supporting various pollinators like bees and butterflies. Additionally, orchids have cultural and economic significance for the local communities, being used in traditional medicine and as decorative plants. The consistent rainfall in the area creates ideal conditions for these beautiful plants to thrive, making it essential to safeguard their habitats for future generations. Conservation efforts not only help in discovering new species, but also in maintaining the delicate balance of this ancient and diverse ecosystem. Number 6. Bornean flat-headed frog. In 2008, scientists made a remarkable discovery about the Bornean flat-headed frog, a species that measures about 7 centimeters in length. This frog holds the extraordinary distinction of being the world's first lungless frog. Instead of lungs, it relies entirely on its skin for breathing. This unusual adaptation means that other organs occupy the space where lungs would typically be, giving the frog a noticeably admired appearance. This flat, streamlined shape is not just for show, it serves a crucial purpose. The increased surface area of the skin allows for more efficient oxygen absorption, and the smooth body helps the frog navigate the swift currents of the streams in its home, the Kalimantan rainforest in the heart of Borneo. The Bornean flat-headed frog was first discovered in 1978 and is currently listed as endangered on the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. It is found only in 2 specific locations within the Kapuas River Basin. Unfortunately, its existence is threatened by pollution from nearby mining activities. The unique features and dangerous situation of this fascinating species highlight the urgent need for conservation efforts. Now it's time for today's subscriber's pick. Deep in the heart of Borneo's thick, thriving jungles, where sunlight barely penetrates the thick canopy and the air is constantly soaked, a discovery that would shake the world's understanding of wildlife was made. In the heart of a remote swamp, where the water was stained a deep, strange green and the dirt seemed to swallow the light, an explorer stumbled upon something truly extraordinary and terrifying. The exploration, led by renowned zoologist Dr. Evelyn Carter, had ventured into the jungle's uncharted territories to investigate reports of unusual animal behavior. For weeks, the team battled through thick vines, treacherous terrain, and a cacophony of unfamiliar sounds. Their objective was to uncover the truth behind these unsettling reports and to document any new species they might encounter. One particularly blurred morning, as the exploration walked slowly through the dark waters of the swamp, their guide, a local tribesman named Jaya, suddenly froze, eyes wide with terror. They stumbled upon a series of massive bones partially buried in the dirt. These bones, shockingly reminiscent of gorilla remains, but far larger and more robust, hinted at the presence of a creature of unimaginable size. Finally, as sunset began to envelop the jungle, they reached a clearing where the trees parted to reveal a large, clouded pool. And there, emerging from the water with an unsettling, slow grace, was the creature they had been seeking. Towering over them, this extremely large gorilla had eyes that glowed with a fierce, intelligent light. Its teeth, enormous and yellowed, gleamed with a threatening shine. The creature's sheer size and the brutality of its gaze were enough to make even the most seasoned explorers shiver. What might be the implications of discovering a creature of such immense size and fearsome appearance in Borneo's jungles? How could this discovery challenge existing theories about primate evolution and behavior? Let's know your thoughts and comments. Number 5. Borneo earless monitors. Monitor lizards are impressive reptiles that thrive in a wide range of environments across Africa, Asia, and Oceania. Among these fascinating creatures, the Komodo dragon stands out as the most renowned and inspiring. Komodo dragons are truly massive, with some individuals weighing over 300 pounds. To put their size into perspective, these lizards consume up to 80% of their body weight in a single meal, which helps explain their formidable size. Additionally, Komodo dragons are notorious for their fierce and fearsome hunting skills, making them some of the most formidable predators in the animal kingdom. But the Komodo dragon isn't the only remarkable monitor lizard. In the forests of Borneo, there is a unique species known as the Borneo earless monitor. This lizard is unlike any other creature on the planet. Its lineage traces back to reptiles from the Cretaceous period, around 145 to 66 million years ago, making it a direct descendant of dinosaurs. With its dinosaur-like appearance, including its absence of ear openings, its long body covered in brown, armored skin, and striking blue eyes, the Borneo earless monitor is a living relic from a bygone era. These monitor lizards are semi-aquatic, preferring habitats near water sources like streams and wetlands. They are carnivorous and always on the lookout for their next meal, showing a remarkable opportunistic feeding behavior. Unfortunately, the Borneo earless monitor is currently listed as endangered by the IUCN Red List. The primary threat to their survival is human activity, which has significantly damaged their natural habitat, a sadly familiar story. Number 4. Sun bear. The bear stands impressively tall at 2.3 feet at the shoulders and stretches 4 to 5 feet in length from head to tail. It's actually the smallest bear in the world. The sun bear's coat is completely black except for a distinctive crescent-shaped patch on its chest and a nose that can range in color from gray to pale orange. This patch might be creamy yellow, orange, or white and varies in size and shape. According to ancient myths, it symbolizes the rising sun, and this golden mark could make a sun bear appear larger during a fight. Sun bears have enormous bare-footed fingers and long curved claws that help them grip and climb trees. They walk in an unusual way, with all 4 legs pointing inward, similar to an aquatic bird. These nighttime animals rely on their excellent sense of smell to hunt for termites, beetles, earthworms, and bees. They use their sharp claws to break apart trees and insect nests to find food. Sun bears have a diverse diet, feasting on beans and using their incredibly long tongues to extract honey from bees. Though little is known about their reproductive practices, research suggests that sun bears may form monogamous mating relationships. As one of the rarest bear species, sun bears are gradually decreasing in numbers. Number 3, the world's tallest tropical tree. Back in 2016, an exciting news story emerged from Sabah, Malaysia, on the island of Borneo. They had discovered a yellow Meranti tree that stood at an impressive 294 feet tall, claiming the title of the world's tallest tropical tree at that time. It was a moment of wonder and excitement. However, this record was short-lived. Gregory Asner, a researcher from Stanford University's Carnegie Institution for Science, made an astonishing announcement at the Heart of Borneo conference. He revealed that he had found not just 1, but 50 taller tropical trees during his journey. It seemed that the initial measurements had missed these giants, or perhaps the tools used were not up to the task. The tallest of Asner's discoveries reached an astounding height of 309 feet. Along with its towering height, this tree boasted a canopy that spread over 132 feet in diameter. The remarkable tree was found in the Danam Valley of Sabah. Asner, who saw the tree himself during an aerial expedition, described the experience as profoundly impactful. The sheer size and presence of the tree left a lasting impression on him. Number 2. Sunda pangolin. The endangered Sunda pangolin, often jokingly called an artichoke with legs, might not look like it, but these ancient creatures have been around for 80 million years. This strange animal is the only mammal covered in protective structural protein scales, and it has an astonishingly long tongue that extends farther than its body. Without teeth, its long, sticky tongue is perfect for gathering ants and termites. When threatened, a pangolin will cover its head with its front legs, showing its tough scales to any predator. If touched or grabbed, it curls into a tight ball, using the sharp scales on its tail to lash out. Despite their unique characteristics, little is known about these difficult-to-find creatures, making it hard to estimate their wild population sizes. Also known as scaly ant bears due to their diet, pangolins are the most trafficked mammals in the world. The demand is mainly in Asia and increasingly in Africa for their meat and scales. In the United States, pangolin products are sought after, particularly their leather for making boots, bags, and belts. Despite this high demand, all 8 pangolin species are protected under national and international laws, with 2 species listed as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. Number 1. Hybrid mystery monkey. In 2017, a mysterious baby monkey was spotted for the first time in the thick rainforests of Borneo. By 2022, possibly the same monkey, now fully grown, continued to baffle scientists. This intriguing creature, dubbed the hybrid mystery monkey, has captured the attention of researchers and wildlife enthusiasts alike. The monkey has been seen swinging through the treetops and feeding on the forest floor, displaying behaviors that are a curious mix of its possible parent species. Researchers believe it might be a mix between a trunk monkey, known for its distinctive large nose and excellent swimming abilities, and a silvery leaf monkey, which is recognized by its silvery gray hair and gentle nature. These two species live in the same forest, but are only distantly related, making this hybridization extremely rare and puzzling. The hybrid monkey's diet appears to be a blend of species preferences, eating fruits, leaves, and seeds. Its appearance is equally unique, featuring a combination of the trunk monkey's nose and the silvery lutung's hair, creating a striking and unusual look. Which one of these strangest things recently discovered in the jungles of Borneo do you find highly interesting? And what do you think the future holds for the jungles of Borneo? Share your thoughts and comments below.